Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play this old man on the violin. First, ensure your violin is tuned to the standard G, D, A, and E strings. Hold the instrument comfortably on your collarbone, supported by your jaw, allowing your left hand to move freely. Your bow hand should be relaxed, with a flexible wrist, ready to draw smooth strokes. This foundational setup is crucial for clear tone and comfortable playing throughout the piece. Now let's find the first notes. Begin on the open D string for the initial melody. For the next note, place your first finger on the D string to play E. Then, use your second finger for F sharp and your third finger for G. Practice these transitions slowly, ensuring each note rings clearly. Focus on consistent finger pressure and a light touch with your bow to produce a beautiful sound. Mastering your bowing technique is next. For sustained notes, use long, even strokes, drawing the bow smoothly from the frog to the tip. When the melody requires faster notes, employ shorter, quicker strokes, keeping your touch light and controlled. Pay close attention to the rhythm, typically in 4/4 time, counting carefully to maintain a steady tempo. Consistent bowing ensures a clear and musical performance. Finally, let's put it all together. Start by playing the entire melody very slowly, prioritizing accuracy in both notes and rhythm. As your confidence grows, gradually increase your tempo but never sacrifice precision for speed. Listen intently to your intonation, making small adjustments to your finger placement as needed. Consistent daily practice, even for just 15 to 20 minutes, will significantly improve your playing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.